With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, which of the following statement is correct about glycolysis? Options given are, in this process glucose undergoes complete oxidation to form two molecules of pyruvic acid. In aerobic organism, it is the only process in respiration. The fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is split into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. In plants, glucose is derived from sucrose, which is the end product of photosynthesis, or from structural carbohydrates like starch. So here we will see options one by one, starting with the first option. In this process, glucose undergo complete oxidation to form two molecules of pyruvic acid. So if we will see a process of glycolysis, in glycolysis, from glucose pyruvic acid is formed, or we can say that two pyruvate molecules are being formed. Pyruvic acid is being formed. Now this pyruvic acid, it has two fate. If it's a aerobic respiration, it may enter into the aerobic respiration. It may enter into the anaerobic respiration. So depending upon the condition, if it is a aerobic respiration, it will enter into the Krebs cycle via oxidative decarboxylation, formation of acetyl-CoA, and then it will enter into further electron transport chain or oxidative phosphorylation. In anaerobic condition, when there is no oxygen is present, then it will enter into the fermentation. It will undergo fermentation. So this is the fate of glucose, starting from by formation of pyruvic acid and then N. So in this process, they have said glucose undergo complete oxidation. This is correct statement because glucose undergo partial oxidation. Partial oxidation. Complete oxidation will come when a complete cycle will be complete. The complete respiration steps will be involved. So this is a partial oxidation, not the complete oxidation. So we can say that incorrect statement. Second statement is in aerobic organism, it is the only process in respiration. Here we will see that in aerobic organism, it is not the only step. In aerobic, after glycolysis, Krebs cycle and ETCs are also involved. So on that we can say it is incorrect statement. Next is fructose 1,6-bisphosphate split into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So this is correct statement. It is the last reaction of preparatory phase of glycolysis, in which fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, it is being split into, it is being break down into three carbon atom molecule, that is, one is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and dihydroxyacetone 3-phosphate. So 6 carbon atom that is being converted into 2-3 carbon atom molecules, and this reaction is being catalyzed by aldolase, which is one of the last steps of preparatory phase of glycolysis. So we can say that this is a correct statement. And last is, in the plants, glucose is derived from sucrose, which is the end product of photosynthesis, or from structural carbohydrates like starch. All statement is correct, that is, glucose is derived from sucrose and photosynthesis, or from structural carbohydrates like starch. This is wrong because it is not being derived from structural carbohydrates. Structural carbohydrates are cellulose. It is a storage carbohydrate. Starch is storage carbohydrate from which glucose is being derived. So we can say that on that basis this is also incorrect statement. So correct statement is option C. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.